Okay, y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name's Smitty, if you didn't already know that. Today, unfortunately, I've got a 4L80E that I built that came back to me. I'm not proud of it. I don't know if it's anything I did, but anyway. Yeah, he said he was just driving it, and he drove it to work. You know, it's been, oh shoot, at least 6 months. But he was driving it, and it's in a 3/4 ton pickup, and he drove it to work one day and parked it. Got in it to leave, and it didn't go anywhere. It just, you rev it up to about 3,000, it'll go, but that's about it. So I'm thinking something might have come apart inside. So anyway, we've got to tear this dude down and find out what's going on. So if you like what you see, make sure you hit that like button down there. It's the one with the thumbs up. Subscribe and leave me a comment. I know I'm going to get bombed on this one, I'm sure, but it happens. You know, it's kind of like that 4L60E I built. You know, any time it broke, it wasn't anything I did. So, I mean, this is more likely going to be the same thing. So, you know, we'll get it apart and we'll find out what's going on. So, but even if it is my fault, I'm going to make sure to take care of it, because you know, I really take pride in my work. You know, if it comes back and I've done something wrong, I take it pretty hard. I guess you could say I'm somewhat of a perfectionist. I don't know. I don't like to see things twice. So, anyway, let's get to it. Alright. By the way, if any of y'all are asking, this pan that's upside down is actually covering up my valves for Scarlett's 4L60. I got kind of tied up with other people's work, so I had to put it on the back burner. So I just put the pan over the top of it to protect the valves, since they're all in order. But that's why that pan's sitting there upside down. Well, that's not good. What the hell? Well, we got shit burnt up. We have the TCC regulator valve laying in the bottom of the pan. Interesting. Where is the snap ring, I wonder? Okay, well, we're definitely going to have a burn-up clutch. So, alright. I don't know if you all can see that right back in there. Let's get a light on it. That's the hole that valve came out of, is right there. It blew the plug and the valve and everything out of it. So yeah, it's not going to have any pressure that way, that's for sure. As you can see, we've got some carnage in the pan. So we need to get it apart and find out what burned up and go from there. fluid actually smells pretty good, y'all. We're going to end up having to clean the case out because it's got clutch debris all over the place. So I'll probably end up having to go through this whole thing again, which that's alright. I'd rather do it that way than the alternative. Oop, you take your torque converter clutch O-ring off. You'll play hell trying to get that pump out of there. Dang, that pump is slick. Yeah. Heavy too. Alright, let's take a look at this pump. See how bad it got damaged. Apparently that clip that goes in that hole right there didn't hold. Because the plug and everything's in the other side. Hopefully it didn't damage the pump. Oh, hot damn. We're going to have to put another pump bushing in this thing. The pump bushing didn't do so hot, but that's all right. We'll put one in it. It looks like the pump survived. Other than that snap ring coming out. Let's look at this other side. Oh yeah, it's got a little bit of staining on it, but that's it. I mean, it's just stained. So luckily it didn't go too far. We're going to order another bushing kit for it. And that way I don't have to worry about the bushings. I'm sure with the bushings being dry like that, it probably would be in our best interest. Get that out. Shafts look good. Like I said, the bushings are kind of questionable. I'll probably smack some new bushings in there. Okay, your second gear clutches. They look fine. They're a little hot right there. So it looks like we need to replace one steel. That one's pretty hot. And other than that, the clutches look really good. Yeah, it's hot on that side too, so it was trying to apply. Alright, the real culprit looks to be just the forward clutch. Lost my pocket screwdriver somewhere. There it is. Sprag is alright. Wow. Those actually look pretty decent. Pretty decent there. Not too disappointed with that. These look really good too. .99% sure there's nothing wrong with the fourth gear, but we'll go ahead and look at them. Yeah, you can still see the writing on these. Still say Borg Warner on them, so those are alright. I'm sure this overrun's probably okay too. Yeah, those are fine too. Well, as much as I hate to do it, I'm going to have to take the center support out, because the only thing left down there is the low reverse band. And as much clutch material was in the bottom of the pan, we need to find out if that's what's smoked. So here we go. Well, even the band looks pretty good. I mean, it's got some ripples in it. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's got some ripples in it in here. You know, indicating it's been a little warm. We'll probably go ahead and replace it just to be on the safe side. Alright, y'all. So that's going to be it. We got the 4L80 torn down. Looks like the valve come out of the valve come out of the pump. The snap ring apparently didn't hold it in there, so pump's okay. We've got a couple of clutches that are a little scored. We're gonna go ahead and put some clutches in it, put a band in it, and a couple bushings, and we'll put this dude back together, and he'll be down the road motors. So that's a good thing. So I don't know if I didn't get the snap ring in all the way. Either way, I'm going to take care of this thing and get him down the road. But anyway, so if you like what you've seen, make sure to hit that like button. One that looks like a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down there too. It's a red button, about like that big. Smack that dude and leave me a comment. I do read the comments. So that being said, y'all have a good evening or whatever time of day it is for you. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. God bless you, and God bless America. See you in the next one, guys and gals. Bye.